In this video, we are going to revise the first chapter of geography. Chapter name it is resources and resource development. What is resource? All materials available in our environment which satisfy our needs are called resources. All resources have some values. Value means worth. Some resources have economical values and some do not, but both are important and satisfy human needs. Some resources can be become economically valuable with time. Time and technology are used important factors that changes substance into people themselves are most important resources. It is their ideas, knowledge, invention, and discoveries that lead to the creation of more resources. Each discovery or invention lead to many other. For example, discovery of fire led to the practice of cooking. Invention of wheels resulted to the development of the newer modes of transportation. Then types of resources. Resources are categorized into three: natural resources, human made resources, and human resources. Natural resources. Natural resources are those resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification. Example: air, water, soil, minerals are the natural resources. Natural resources are classified into different groups depending upon their level of development and use, origin, renewability, and distribution. Natural resources are also called gift of nature. On the base of their level of their development and use, natural resources can be divided into two: actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources, those resources whose quantity is known, and these resources are being used in the present day. For example, coal of Germany, petroleum of the West Asia, etc. The potential resources, the resources whose entire quantity may not be known, means survey not conducted at yet now, and these are not being used at present, could be used for the future. Means today we are not using these potential resources, we are keeping for tomorrow purpose. For example, in the uranium in Ladakh. Then on the base of the origin, natural resources can be divided into two: biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources includes all living things, example plants, animals. Abiotic, it is includes all the non-living things, for example soil, rock, minerals, etc. Then on the base of renewability, natural resources can categorized into two: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, those which can be renewed or replenished quickly, are called as renewable resources. Very easily we can recover it, and they are also called inexhaustible resources. How much we are using, then also it won't finish it like their resources. For example, solar and wind energy. Then non-renewable resources, those which have limited stock. Once the stock has exhausted, it may take thousands of years or millions of years to renewed or replenished. It is called non-renewable resources. It is also called exhaustible resources. Once we used, finish, like that resources. Then, for example, coal, natural gas, petroleum, etc. On the base of distribution, natural resources can be divided into two: ambiguous resources and localized resources. Ambiguous resources are found everywhere on earth: land, water, air, etc. Then localized, the resources are found only in a certain places. For example, copper, iron, or etc. The next point, the distribution of natural resources depends upon number of physical factors like terrain, climate, altitude, means height, etc. The distribution of resources is unequal across the earth. The next second point, it is human made resources. Human made resources. Okay, first here explaining what is human resource. Human resource refers the number and abilities mental and physical of the people. Human made resources, or the resources which are created by natural resources, by human resources, means humans ability by the human beings to produce useful products, are known as the human made resources. For example, road, machinery, vehicle, etc. Technology is also a human made resources, or one of the important human made resource. It is technology. Then comes third one, it is human resource. Human resources refers to the number of abilities of people. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill and technology. People as human resources. Improving the quantity of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. Then conserving resources. Conservation of resources refers to using natural resources carefully so that they could be renewed or continued to be used in the future. Sustainable use of resources refers to the carefully utilizing resources and balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future generation. It is our duty to ensure that all use of renewable resources are sustainable. The diversity of life on earth should be conserved. The damage to natural environmental system should be minimized. There are many ways to conserving resources. Each person can contribute by reducing consumption, recycling and reusing things. Okay, thank you. We will continue.